Good morning students. English Grammar Class 4 Lesson 5 The Adjective Kinds of Adjectives. Definition of adjectives. Words that describe people, animals, things and places are called adjectives. All describing words are adjectives and they describe nouns. For example, a small mouse, a tall tower. My mother is very pretty. So here small, tall and pretty, they are adjectives and they are describing the nouns. Kinds of adjectives. Adjective is a word that is used to add something to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. Example, the foolish crow tried to sing, Ashok is a kind boy. So here foolish and kind, they are adjectives, they are describing nouns. Adjectives of quality answer the question of what kind. Adjectives of quality. The adjectives good, cloudy, honest, beautiful, big tell us of what kind a person or thing is. Such adjectives are called adjectives of quality. It answers the question of what kind. Example, Ashok was a good king. Joshi is an honest man. So here good and honest, they are describing nouns which is Ashok and Joshi. Adjectives of quantity. The adjectives much, a little, some, any, enough, sufficient, whole, all, half and no tell us how much of a thing is intended. Such adjectives are called adjectives of quantity. It answers the question how much. Adjectives of number. The adjectives all, many, five, some, first, most show how many persons or things there are or in what order any of them stand are called adjectives of number. It answers the question how many or in what order. Example, many women were there. He had 5 balloons in his hand. So here many and 5 describing about noun, the countable things that is women and balloons. Demonstrative adjectives. The adjectives this, that, these, those, such and yonder that point out which persons or things are meant are called demonstrative adjectives. It answers the question which. For example, this horse is mine. I like those mangoes. I hate such men. This, those and such, they are demonstrative adjectives and they are indicating the person or thing. Interrogative adjectives. The sentences that ask questions with what, which, whose, when, who. Such adjectives are called interrogative adjectives. Example, what color is your hair? Whose book is this? Which house is yours? So here what, whose and which, they are interrogative adjectives where we ask the questions. Possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives are the words that refers to the ownership of a person or thing. My, yours, his, her, its are used if the possessor is singular. Are, your and their are used if the possessor is plural. His is masculine, her is feminine and it is used for neuter gender singular, there is used for neuter gender plural. So possessive, the ownership of a person or thing. So the thing belongs to the person, we can use my, yours, his, her, etc. And if it is masculine, we have to use his, and if it is feminine, we have to use her. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks with adjectives and state their kinds. First, Anita wore a beautiful dash dress on her birthday. Red, adjective of quality. Second, there was very dash milk in the jug. Little, adjective of quantity. Third, my son is standing in the dash row. Last, adjective of number. Fourth, dash boys are practicing for the annual day. D, demonstrative adjective. Fifth, he was shocked to see dash ants crawling in the sugar. D, demonstrative adjective. Sixth, is dash horse yours? This, demonstrative adjective. 7. The clown amused the crowd with his dash act. Funny, adjective of quality. 8. The dash teacher was able to manage her class very well. New, adjective of quality. 9. Dash books are lying on the floor. Whose? Interrogative adjective. 10th. I do not want dash shoes. I want dash. D and new, demonstrative adjective and adjective of quality. Exercise 2. Fill in the blanks with possessive adjectives. First, the tree is losing dash leaves. Its. Second, the trees are losing dash leaves. Their. Third, the husband is walking with dash wife. His. Fourth, the wife is walking with dash husband. Her. Fifth, you have a name. Dash name is Rama. Her. Sixth, where are dash books? Children. Your. 7. Kanta is carrying dash brother. Her. 8. Meera is walking with dash father. Her. 9. The mother is walking with dash son. Her. 10. The father is walking with his dash daughter. His. Exercise 3. Underline the adjectives and circle the noun and write the kind of adjective. The old man has grey hair. So here we have old and grey adjective, man and hair noun, and the kind is adjective of quality. Second, I want these mangoes. These adjective, mangoes noun, demonstrative. Third, Kalidas wrote many plays. Many adjective, plays noun, number. Fourth, I have some money. Some adjective, money noun, adjective of number. Fifth, look at that bird. That adjective, bird noun, demonstrative adjective. Sixth, there are 25 boys in this class. 25 adjective, boys noun, adjective of number. 7th, Sita has a sweet voice. Sita noun, sweet adjective of quality. 8. It was a cloudy day. Cloudy adjective, day noun, adjective of quality. 9. Sudhir has handed his homework to the teacher. Sudhir noun, his adjective, possessive adjective. 10. My neighbors have been searching for their pet dog for the last 1 week. Neighbors and dog noun, their adjective, possessive of adjective. Exercise 4. Choose the correct opposites. First, a dull day, bright. A stormy sea, calm. A sharp knife, blunt. Stale bread, fresh. A curved line, straight. A happy mouse, miserable. A rough coat, smooth. A poor person, wealthy. A wise fellow, foolish. A shallow pond, deep. Exercise 5. Underline the adjectives, replace it with the opposite. First, the glass in the tray was empty. Full. Second, the small boy hurt himself with a blunt knife. Big, sharp. Third, the stray dog chased the boys barking loudly, quietly, softly. Fourth, the obedient servant followed his angry master, disobedient, calm. Fifth, the fat lady panted as she climbed the high steps. Thin, low. Sixth, this book is about a timid giant who lived in the thick forest. Small, thin. Seventh, the statement was false, so few men believed it. True. Eighth, the grapes are sour, said the clever fox and went away. Sweet, foolish. Ninth, the thin hands of the weak girl were cut badly. Strong. 10th, the young man was a relative of my friend John. Old. Thank you.